Look. Whoa. Oh. What's going on? What's going on?
There's Dad.
Oh, look. Hi.
Up. Santa came. Santa, want to get down? Okay, you go.
Up.
Downstairs.
Hey, I did that. The bird.
Merry Christmas, boys.
Look at it. What's that?
Over.
Is that a ball?
Whoa.
Oh, it's a car.
Here.
Sit up there. Daddy will do it. Oh, look. Cars. Yes. Here you go. Santa brought a car.
Oh, look, here. I didn't get a bag.
Oh, boy. Here, Daddy will do it. Daddy will do it. Thank you. Here, sit up here. Go sit up there.
What did they sit on the floor?
It's recording. Oh, car. This looks perfect where they are. Let's put them up a little bit. Okay, who's this for?
They don't care.
Okay, this one is to Andrew. Andrew, there's another one for you. That's for Andrew. Oh, and this one's to William. William, that one's for you. Boy.
Open. Wow. Wow, look at you. Your legs crossed. Open, help. Help.
Oh, what's that?
Whoa.
Another one. Oh my goodness, look. Oh boy. Want it open? Let's look at this car. You have two cars. My goodness. Oh, look at that. You got this one too.
Open.
Oh, look, it's a phone. Andrew, hello? Hello?
You better find his quickly.
Okay. William, sit down. Do you want a present?
Oh no, William, no.
Go sit down, sit down. You get another present. Okay.
Where's his car? Where's all? Andrew.
William, this one's for you. Sit down.
Michael, put his stuff over there by the He's talking. Oh, here's your card.
Here's one for Andrew.
Open.
Move him over a little bit. This way. There we go.
Hi. Here.
What's that, William? It's a phone.
Do you want me to open it? Open? Open? You want to open? Okay. I'll let William's phone open first. Just a minute. Here.
Say hello. Hi.
Cars?
Hi. Who are you calling? Oh, is it for me? You're talking to each other?
Andrew, look.
Okay.
Andrew. Andrew.
Oh, you got a car,
You
Andrew.
take your time even.
Oh, you want to trade?
Say hi. Hi, Pops. Hi, Chris. Hi.
Over. Hi, Mama.
So that was okay.
No, he thinks, oh, yeah.
Tomorrow.
Here you go. There's one for you. Do you want another one?
He's wanting more. He's
Are
done.
you done? Boy, you're easy. Oh,
Sorry. I put some cream on his face this morning.
okay, open your present. Let's put this down here.
Here, Andrew. Open. Other side. He's holding his phone. You do it.
It's a ball. Ball, that's right. Good talking. Okay, should we just leave this in the package so it doesn't get thrown
Yeah.
around? Okay, let's see, what's this? To William.
They're waiting for more. Oh, another ball, like yours. Oh.
Okay, this one here. Oh.
Don't bite.
Andrew. Here's one to Andrew. And here's one to William.
Andrew's holding on to everything.
Oh.
It's okay, he likes his ball. It's from Santa. Ho, 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 bought those.
Thank you. Thank you. Look at this one.
Oh, he's talking to someone on the phone. No, that's William's ball.
Here, open this.
Here, no, here. Open,
Oh, I should have left that ball till later.
open. Okay, it's Christmas. Let me get in here. He really wants to see what it is.